Cuisico a été fondé en...
Cuisico was founded in 2006. I joined the company in 2013 and we completely redesigned the layout of the business. We invested in new machinery and integrated microvellum for cabinet design.
Pour le contrôle de ma production.
At the time, production order management and deadline tracking were entirely managed through Excel files that we had developed internally.
Avant la venue du webcam,
Before implementing webcam, our team was efficient but often faced issues such as incomplete or undelivered cabinet. We struggled to finish our jobs on time. Production Assistant is now installed on most of our key workstations. When I say key workstations, I mean the strategic points where production control is essential.
où on devait contrôler la production. Donc,
We manage production at the CNC, at sorting, at assembly, at wrapping and special projects.
Planning Assistant allows us to analyze our production capacity and optimize the resources available in the factory. It also helps us make informed decisions when these capacities are exceeded. The essential tool that complements Planning Assistant is Maestro. Maestro plays a central role in the entire process. Why? Because it generates work lists for all our employees in the factory. This eliminates the need to manually move tasks from one station to another. As everything is now automated based on the templates we created in Planning Assistant. Additionally, Maestro is connected to Production Assistant, enabling direct data entry into the system. This is another significant time saver and it's incredibly efficient.
Production Assistant from WebCab, in my opinion, is an essential tool for manufacturing companies. As I've been progressively discovering WebCab and Production Assistant over the past 3 years in the company, I've realized how these tools significantly improve communication between different departments. Whether it's purchasing, assembly, or cutting, this tool plays a key role. I believe it is vital for any company operating in our industry.
On a daily basis, I review my Production Assistant dashboard in coordination with Planning Assistant and my foreman to clearly identify the tasks that need to be completed during the day. This way, the team leaves my office with a clear mission to accomplish. In real time, I can track status updates based on the actions taken following our discussions. For me, this is the real advantage, having real-time visibility into what's happening.